Alright, got another unboxing. So this is from Bullion. I picked up, since the dollar's so strong right now, I picked up two 10-ounce bars. These are Silver Towne Eagle bars. They look really good, actually. I like these. But anyway, I don't know. They're like 150 bucks a piece or something. It was like on special. It was like 49 cents over spot or something. I don't know. That looks pretty good though. And then I don't pick up that much gold. But gold's also cheaper too because the dollar's stronger. So this is a Australian 1/4 ounce. Battle of the Coral Sea, 1/4 ounce piece of gold. That was on sale too, so I picked that up.